Alright, just got the Chef Remi's Grill Mats in. Really cool. Supposed to not stick to anything, so we're going to go ahead and test them out today. And first you got to light the pit. Alright, my fire's getting ready. This is the Chef Remi mat. I've got them out. You're going to want to wash them before you actually end up using them. This one is 13 by 16 and can be cut to fit just about any grill. We're going to go ahead and use it on our little Weber. I don't have to cut it, so we're going to get it going. Alright, so our grill is ready. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, time to take them off. And you can easily wash it in the dishwasher. Alright, so the Chef Remi mat, definitely a winner. Really like it. Nothing stuck to it. Didn't really give the grill marks that they say, but it had a beautiful brown on everything that we cooked. So the flavor was amazing, and I definitely recommend them. Definitely like to use them. And check it out. Links down below or up above, depending on which social media you're on.